Okay, the babies just had something to eat, and now I'm letting them out of the enclosure to play. Let them explore the room a bit. I'm still going to keep them in the enclosure at night, and if I'm not going to be around, to check on them. But I'll keep monitoring their weight, make sure they keep getting bigger. They didn't seem to be eating the wet food. I don't know about the dry. So I've been giving them some food and milk replacer by syringe a little bit, just to make sure that they keep getting what they need now that Mama's not with them.